Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2025 Ford Edge, the SUV that's back and bolder than ever. With a striking new design, a tech-packed interior, and upgraded performance, this mid-size SUV is set to dominate the roads. But is it really the ultimate SUV for 2025? Let's dive in and find out. At first glance, the 2025 Ford Edge looks sharper and more futuristic than ever. Ford has given it a sleeker, more aggressive front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a muscular stance that demands attention. The redesigned 20-inch alloy wheels add a premium touch, while the sloping roofline gives it a sporty SUV coupe vibe. And check out the taillights. A full-width LED bar that stretches across the rear, giving it that modern high-end look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Step inside, and it's a whole new world. The 2025 Edge has gone high-tech with a massive 13.2-inch infotainment screen running the latest SoC4 system. And check this out, a fully digital driver's display that gives you everything from navigation to real-time driving data. The seats? Soft touch leather with heating and cooling options, perfect for all seasons. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 Ford Edge packs a turbocharged 2.0L EcoBoost engine pushing out around 250 horsepower. But if you're looking for more punch, there's an optional hybrid variant for better fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Paired with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, the Edge delivers a smooth yet thrilling ride, whether you're cruising the city or tackling off-road adventures. So, is the 2025 Ford Edge the perfect SUV for you? It's got the looks, the tech, and the performance to take on its rivals. But the final verdict? That's up to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.